everyone, my name is Blume and I'm an international graduate student at the Virginia Institute of Marine Science. And in this video, I will provide you with a brief overview of my lesson plan, Phytoplankton Biogeography, Where is My Home?, that I created as part of the VASEA lesson plan program. This lesson plan was originally intended for grades 9 to 12, but it may easily be adjusted to serve younger students as well. In this lesson plan, Phytoplankton Biogeography, Where is My Home?, students will step into the shoes of a scientist for a day while conceptualizing the basics of phytoplankton biogeography through the generation, visualization, as well as interpretation of a phytoplankton dataset. This lesson plan contains both group activities as well as individual activities to hopefully encourage teamwork as well as out-of-the-box thinking. So the first activity of this lesson plan is a group activity that requires students to orient themselves on a world map and label the ocean basins. Students are then supplied with 3 phytoplankton samples, which look just like this. In groups, they will then sample each one of those bags by grabbing beads out of them and sorting them by color. And each bag will actually get sampled 3 times in order to familiarize students with the concept of replication in sample collection and processing, just like a real scientist would do. Students in their respective groups will then record the collected data and will plot it as bar graphs. And from here, they should be able to identify which phytoplankton group dominates each sample. You, the teacher, will then supply your students with these phytoplankton info cards. These info cards contain information of preferred abiotic conditions and some conditions that a selection of phytoplankton genera are adapted to. You may then also supply your students with these information of a selection of abiotic factors around the world. And so based on the students' own collected data, as well as the information that you have provided them with, they should be able to identify which phytoplankton sample was collected where on the world map that they have familiarized themselves earlier in this lesson plan. From here, students will move into the individual activity and apply what they have just learned to real-life problems by answering questions. As an example, these questions will touch on the potential impacts of climate change on biogeography and the involvement of potential other factors in determining phytoplankton biogeography, hoping to really encourage that out-of-the-box thinking. I very much hope that you and your students will enjoy this lesson plan, and I want to thank the Virginia Institute of Marine Science and VAC lesson plan program for providing us with the opportunity of creating this lesson plan.